Hello everyone, welcome to Teachopedia. Today we will be learning about a Python trick in which we will learn how to return multiple values or a list or a dictionary from a function. So let's define our function called func and in which we will just return 1, 2, 3. That is three values and we will take it outside the function inside ABC and just print our ABC. It should print 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is. Now let's change it a bit and return a character in it as well. Yes, it print 1A3 and now let's define a list inside a function and define return it with values 1A3 lst. Now since we are getting four values we are returning four values, so we will assign them in four variables. Okay, should print 1A3 and a list. Now let's define a dictionary. First define an empty dictionary, then define its key first, that is name, assign it a value 24 and then just return D. Okay, it will print our dictionary. So we learn how to return multiple values from a function. That's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much.